doing on the ground as well. He's been missing in action as well. Good morning. Good to see you. Welcome back.
Good morning.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we've missed you a lot. You tell us how it's been on the ground so
within
far.
Kenya. And
You've been missing in action in this show.
Full circulation.
In full circulation.
Yes.
So what have you been learning on the ground before we just drill deeper on the topics of the day?
Yes.
Just to get your introductory remarks.
We've been with the people, and now we are looking forward to 9th of August, as we are now. So we are on the final leg. Of course, the country is on the final leg of preparing for the final elections. Yeah, on 9th of August, yeah.
Fantastic, fantastic. All right, so we are eagerly waiting for Nikal to join us and Isaac Maura as well. I got challenges with my, of course, I can't really beam my papers here, but I'll be able just to show you the hard copy if my cameraman may just give us also just particular, he may pan his camera towards my end so that I can give you my hard copies of the dailies today for you to also to get a glimpse of what is there. We just get done with it and you to get also informed on what is headlining the front pages of the dailies. We have technical challenges there with the IT there. Ugali, chapati to cost more on new taxes. This is what is on the front page of the Daily Nation today. Targeted higher taxes on motorcycles, cosmetics, jewelry, alcohol, chocolate and water. Tighten your belt. MPs are set to take to the public for debate the Finance Bill 2022, which seeks to raise 50.4 billion shillings to plug a hole in the 3.3 trillion shillings national budget, but whose effects analysts are warning will lead to hyperinflation, raise the cost of living, increase the cost of production for local manufacturers, and cost thousands their jobs. This story is tucked on page 7 of the Daily Nation this morning. Wiper Jubilee piles pressure on Raila for DP's slot. That story on page 6 of the Daily Nation. Inside Ruto's power deal with coalition allies. That story also on page 4 of the Daily Nation today. Misoi Barasosio win Uhuru Classic, Nairobi City Marathon titles. You can follow the story on page 46 and 47 of the Daily Nation this morning. And also fast responders, how insects help to solve crimes. Find out how forensic entomology is routinely using or being used to help solve crime cases in Asia, Europe, and the United States, but is little known in Africa. This story is tucked on page 3 of the Daily Nation this morning. Also, inside Ruto's power deal with coalition allies, all tucked away on page 4 of the Daily Nation. There, you can follow the story on page 4 of the Daily Nation this morning. The Star revealed intrigues in Raila deputy